Do you know how to use the puppy dog clothes?
Welcome to the Love of Business. I'm Crystal.
And I'm Sunshine. Let's get to it. Puppy dog clothes. So I want to know, is it something like all children left unattended will receive a Red Bull and a free puppy?
That sounds like a threat to me.
Okay, so it's not that.
No.
What is it?
Yes, so the puppy dog clothes is, think of it this way. So you have the parents and kids want a puppy, right?
Yeah,
They're
okay.
begging for a puppy.
Yeah, they always do.
So they go to the pet store and they start looking at the puppies, and the parents are like, oh, I don't know, this might be too much responsibility for their age, and we don't want to, as parents, have to take care of the puppy and take them out in the middle of the night. And so they're, on the fence, and the kids are screaming for the puppy. And so the owner comes over and, figures out what's going on, that they're on the fence, say, it's Friday, no worries, why don't you just take the puppy home, and if you don't like it over the weekend, you could bring it back. What do you think happens over the weekend?
Well, this puppy has become part of the family, and there's no way you're going to be able to take it away from those kids after a full weekend.
Exactly, and the parents fall in love with the puppy as well.
Well, yeah. So how do we use this, or how do we implement this into our sales process?
Great question. 3 easy ways to execute the puppy dog close and close prospects. Number 1, let them try before they buy. So think of it like this. You want to buy a new car. You don't go to the lot and just say, I want that one, here's my money. No, before that, you take a test drive. You feel the leather on the steering wheel. You roll down the windows, feel the breeze, turn on the radio, turn on the heating pad of your seat. So you're experiencing it, you're trying it to see if you really want this car before you buy. Number 2, offer a free discovery session so that you guys can get to know each other, both personally and professionally, to see if it makes sense on both ends to work together. So it's risk-free, and they get a really good feel if it's going to be something for them and if it's right for you. Number 3, invite them to a webinar, and that could be on Zoom, that could be, on even telephone, but that allows you to show value before you work with someone.
What's your number 1 takeaway from today's video? Leave us a comment, and thanks for watching.